Hello, everybody. Today is Friday, October 27th. I am going to share the 7-day stats and then unwind some scary myths about what's going on in the real estate market right now. So let's take a look. All right, coming soon. 4, new listing 47, price change 24, back on market 5, active under contract 33, pending 26, closed 23, expired 5, canceled 13, hold 5, and withdrawn 2. All right, as always, let's look at the new listings versus active under contract, pending, and closed. The last couple weeks, the new listing number and the closed number were similar. However, this week, the closed number is a little bit less than half of the new listings number. However, the last 3 or 4 weeks, the active under contract number has been half or less of the new listings number. So this is good news that we're seeing buyers jump into the market. And let me tell you something right now, historically in the fall, October, November, December is the best time for a buyer to get a deal in the market. So if you're a buyer, don't be on the fence right now. This is the time the sellers are going to make their deals. So get out there and start writing your offers. All right. And then let's move on to this article at Keeping Current Matters, Unmasking Scary Myths About Today's Housing Market. Here are a few myths causing fear in today's real estate market and what you really need to know. Myth: if I have a student loan debt, I can't buy a home. Fact: many people can still buy a home even if they have student loans. I've sold homes to I don't know how many hundreds of people that have had student loan debt. You just have to have your debt to income ratio be qualify, and you can still buy a house. Buying a home with student loans is possible. Experts say the proof is in the numbers too. Some 40% of first-time home buyers have student loan debt, according to the NAR study. Apartment Therapy, brought to you by Apartment Therapy. Myth: home prices were going to crash in 2023. That's what everybody was saying. However, the fact is, the data proves nationally home prices are not crashing. They're actually rising again after only a slight dip. Fannie Mae prices, quarter over quarter percent change in home prices. And you can see 2022 quarter one was 4.72 increase. Quarter two was 5.48. Then it dipped in Q3 and Q4 of 2022. And then look at that. We came back strong in 2023 at 1.3 and 2.1 and 2. And when I say strong, I'm just saying relative to with the interest rate and what's going on in the market. Myth: I have to put 20% down when I buy a home. Fact: you usually don't have to save 20% for a down payment unless specified by your loan type or lender. According to NAR, the median down payment is lower than that. Median down payments are 14% for all home buyers and 6% for first-time home buyers. And I can tell you guys from personal experience, when I bought my first house, I put 5% down. So don't think you need 20%, and don't be afraid to get into the market. It's only going to make you richer. If you have other fears or reservations about buying a home today, get in touch with a real estate expert who can help clear those up. So some highlights from what we just talked about. Here's what you really need to know about a few myths causing fear in today's housing market. Despite misconceptions, many people can buy a home. Even if they have student loans, home prices are rising nationally, not falling, and you usually don't have to have 20% for a down payment. If you have other fears or reservations about buying a home today, get in touch with a real estate expert who can help clear those up. All right, so you've probably been hearing on the news doom and gloom. Don't ever buy a house, not right now. It's not the right time. If you listen to that bullshit Grant Cardone talks about a house is a liability, he's full of shit. Don't listen to it. Okay, I can show you graphs from 1950, 1960 up to today in California real estate. It goes nothing but straight up. Okay, of course, there's little dips along the way, but if you buy a house, eventually it's going to double, triple in time and appreciate. So don't listen to the news. Don't listen to these gimmick guys like Grant Cardone. All he is a gimmick talking about a house as a liability and this and that. There are so many advantages to owning a home. You get appreciation, you get tax write-offs. You don't have a rent that keeps rising. You get a fixed mortgage. So get in touch with me. Call me, email me, text me. I'd love to help you figure out where you need to do, how to get there, whether or not you're buying or selling. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. Thanks so much for tuning in. And remember to get some exercise, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.